Alrighty guys, we got some packages in the mail. Let's check it out. From our boy Chris over on Instagram. Chris, thank you so much for sending out this package. Guys, there's more that goes into this, but let's go ahead and open it up, show you guys what's inside. All right, Chris, what do you have for us, buddy? We gotta get the sides as well. Microtech UTX 85 for the carrots. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Brandon, one is for the giveaway, the other is for you. Enjoy, Chris. Dude, what? You are a freaking beast, man. It's even stamped on the logo here. Oh my God. That's gorgeous, brother. I really appreciate that. He even sent some awesome stickers. Guys, we are giving this wallet away, or I guess one of the wallets away. Look at this superb packaging. Just look at how nice it is. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. Oh man. Guys, I need you to go follow Leather and Lumber Goods on Instagram. My boy Chris is hooking it up. There's his handle. Man, this feels so nice. This is my new wallet. So let's quickly give you guys my first impressions on this amazing card holder from Leather Lumber Goods. Basically, I opened up the box and was greeted with a bunch of stickers. Chris, you did a really good job as far as the packaging materials go, and it was just a next to none experience. The Leather Lumber Goods Minimalist. Oh my God, this just screams me all blacked out, handmade. Fantastic wallet. Guys, this was my other EDC wallet, and it was just a Louis Vuitton card holder. Now, this thing was $400. This right here means 10 times more to me than this ever would. Even though this is a designer wallet, this is going to be my new EDC card holder slash wallet. So as far as value goes, even though this was 10 times less in cost than the Louis Vuitton card holder, this means more to me than anything that I've ever received. So Chris, I really appreciate you sending this out to me. Guys, go visit Chris's website. I'll leave a link in the description below. It's just gonna be leatherandlumbergoods.com. He handcrafts multitudes of different types of wallets. So this one, again, is just a simple card holder, and that just fits me. I mean, our channel is called Everyday Minimalist, and this is the minimalist wallet. So that fits me, but if you guys like bifolds or any other type of leather goods, go hit up Chris. He's an awesome human. And then if you guys want to join in on this giveaway, go to my Instagram profile, just everyday.minimalist, and then you guys can stay up to date there. I'll be posting that as soon as we get the other giveaway items in. Thank you guys so much for dropping by, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.